Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MOSY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Pretty crazy movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, then we can talk levels of resistance. The main level of support that really stands out to me, and I'll explain why I would consider it a pretty important area, is down here at 20 cents. And 20 cents is important, and I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but just to kind of illustrate why I would consider this more so a must-hold level, is if the price were to go down to 20 cents and then break below it and then just continue down at that point in time, what would that be doing? Well, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. And not to insult your intelligence, but when price movements go back to where they started before the breakout, that's not exactly a sign of true strength. And that's what that 20-cent mark is representing, whether or not the price is making progress or going back to where it was. What do I mean by making progress? Well, again, let's say that the price actually goes down here, but the difference here is it stabilizes out and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have lows there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, then overall, you'd still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. So in many ways, 20 cents is kind of acting as a vocabulary definer, meaning is the price, quote unquote, making progress? That associated with bullishness, or is the price, quote unquote, going back? That associated with bearishness. So keep an eye on 20 cents. That'll be a level that a lot of people are definitely watching tomorrow. So this is not like some sort of great discovery on my part. I assure you a lot of people are watching and wondering the same thing about 20 cents. In the event the price can, start to work its way back upwards, key level of resistance going to be right up there around 23 cents. However, as of right now, at least in my opinion, top priority is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance, but more so stabilizing and going through a healthy consolidation. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.